So once we reset the counter, the oil life will check again if there's any leaks. Shouldn't be, but just to make sure. None. And you'll see the, the drop on the floor. That's just from the previous. So nothing there, and now it's time to lower down the car again. Load the car. And we'll check again just in case now that it's flat. Oh, let's go put this in the trunk the way it was. And that's how it goes, like that. But let's open up a little bit so it doesn't rattle. And we just turn it. There we go. There you go. We'll put this cover back on. Looks like it goes there first. And then, there we go. That's good. And we'll check right now. Again, so you don't want it to leak on you when you're driving, or you're not gonna notice it. Let's do it from the wheel side. Then what you want to do too, also, like, move the car back so you don't get confused with the one you spilled. Move it back or forward. I'm gonna move it back so I can start cleaning up, and we'll check again. Let it warm up in there. So, there you go. That's how you replace oil filter and the oil on your 07 Honda Accord.